Hiccups are common in newborns and usually not a cause for concern. Many newborns experience hiccups frequently, and it is considered a normal part of their development. There are a few reasons why newborns may hiccup. 1. Immature diaphragm. The diaphragm, the muscle responsible for breathing, may still be developing in newborns. This immaturity can contribute to hiccups. 2. Feeding patterns. Hiccups can occur after feeding or during burping, especially if the baby has swallowed air while feeding. It is common for newborns to gulp air while breastfeeding or bottle feeding, which can trigger hiccups. 3. Digestive system. Immaturity of the digestive system can also contribute to hiccups in newborns. The muscles in the digestive tract may contract involuntarily, causing hiccups. In most cases, newborn hiccups are harmless and resolve on their own within a few minutes. However, if your newborn's hiccups are frequent, prolonged, or accompanied by other concerning symptoms such as difficulty breathing, vomiting, or irritability, it is advisable to consult your pediatrician. They can evaluate your baby's specific situation and provide appropriate guidance.
Mama's Daughters 101